Okay, Emilio, let me just put this because it doesn't work, bro. Guys. I'm Ivan, and if you don't know me, because you probably don't know me, but if you're new here, just how I can see, just let me think for a second. Yo, if you're new here, if you don't know me, I'm Ivan Martinez, and if you're new here, just subscribe, because this is gonna be lit. I don't like it. You should say something like Oh, got it. You got it? Okay.
12 seconds later.
Let's go. Hey, yo, what's up, guys? I hope you guys having a great day. No, that was wrong. Yeah, that was wrong.
Okay, guys. I hope you guys.
No. That was, bro. Messed up.
I don't like it,
bro.
How it goes.
No, it doesn't go with the flow. You gotta just do it. Come on, 1, 2, 3. Let's do it.
Okay, guys. I don't like it, bro. Come on. It's about to be lit. You gotta make it lit.
1 eternity later.
Yo, what's up, guys? I'm Ivan Martinez, and this is the Martinez channel, because I'm a twin. And if you're new here, just subscribe, because we're pranksters. We do a lot of things, and we're savages.
That's
bro.
it.
We're savages. And wait. You're probably asking why I have a blow dryer. I'm about to prank my sister and my best friend. How it doesn't work right now.
Come on, bro.
I'm about to put the blow dryer inside.
Are you sure you wanna do that? Yeah, but like it's probably too savage.
Okay, guys, just let's get into this video. Okay, so I already plugged the blow dryer, so you guys can see it works. And now I'm gonna leave it next to the pool. But I'm gonna. It's out. Okay, guys, but I'm gonna unplug it so they can think it's real. Let's hit it. Guys, so this is not gonna be plugged, so we can see all of their reaction.
Wait, let me see if it looks real. So it's unplugged, right? Oh yeah, that looks real.
They're not inside the pool. Shh. Okay, Emilio.
Okay.
2 hours later.
Yo,
What's that? GoPro?
just
Why is it recording?
no, wait. Just record, because I'm about to do the prank. Okay?
Wait, you're about to prank them?
Yeah, bro.
And you want me to help you?
Yeah. Bro, it's Martinez twins. It's the same. Yeah, you're right. Wait. Okay.
This is like two cameras in the
right
same video.
I know.
Can we do like a half and half of the screen?
No.
No? Okay, that's fine.
Yo,
Then
yo,
I help you. But what I have to do?
Just hide the camera.
Yeah? Okay.
Hide it. And you record everything.
Everything.
Okay?
Okay.
'Cause if
I
not-
got this.
If not,
Okay,
they're gonna
what?
see my camera, and they're gonna see it's a prank.
Okay. They're gonna see us. Okay, don't worry about it. I got you.
Okay.
But what are those?
They're marble.
Okay.
Okay.
Still. Good. Okay. Got you. Come on, let's hit it.
That my epic gonna psycho, the mama better Michael, could really trust nobody. With all this jewelry on you, my roof look gotta know, sugar diamonds by the.
Emilio. ¿Cómo vas? ¿Bien? Voy ahora, ¿eh? Vale, va.
Si lo notas, dejándote tirar.
Dale. Oye, chicos. ¿Qué pasa si la meto dentro?
No hagas eso.
Está enganchada dentro.
Iván,
¿Qué?
que no hagas eso.
¿Por qué?
Que no se puede.
¿Por qué?
Porque hay agua.
Pero no pasa
Ah,
nada.
no, que sí, en serio. Vale.
¡Mira!
¡Para!
Emilio, that's it, bro. That's it.
Anda que venís a por mí,
Yeah.
Ay, hermano.
Que no estaba, mira, look here, bro. Look. It's not black, okay? It's not black.
Corazón no para de palpitar, te lo juro.
Also, that was yours, right?
Thank you.
It doesn't work
Gonna
anymore.
buy me one more?
Yeah, but it doesn't work anymore.
Yeah,
Okay.
I know.
Good job, man. I like you a lot, bro.
I hate you.
And now after the prank, let's have fun, guys. Yo, guys.
No molas, tío. Te lo juro que no molas.
That's not cool.
Joda.
Como?
Buy you one.
Yo, don't leave me, bro. It was just a prank. Yo, it's not cool, bro. It was just a prank.
6 hours later.
This is it, guys. We finally had a good moment. Like, they were just joking, you know. I know them, like my sister, my best friend, my brother. Like, even my brother was joking when he was a part of this. So remember, we post Friday and Monday. We post, so if today is Friday, we see you. Like, I'm gonna see you Monday. So I see you Monday. Woo! Peace!